Hi moms, are you ready to the back to school season? In today's video, I will share some tips and tricks so you can conquer this time like never before, and that will leave you wondering, why didn't I think of this before? I will also provide some links for school supplies from various stores that will help you save time and money. Oh, and stick around until the end for our special surprise giveaway. You won't want to miss that. Alright, the first step is to get kids ready for the school season. After a long break of 2.5 months, we should spend a little time transforming our kids' mindset about going back to school. Some kids may feel anxious about going back to school, especially after a long break. Take this time to talk to them about their feelings and provide reassurance. Remind them of all the exciting things they will be experiencing at their school. Talk to your children about the expectations and help them see the bright side of going back to school, like making new friends. Encourage your kids to participate in after-school activities or clubs. This will not only help them make new friends but also develop their interests and talents. In the past, I didn't prepare my kids for the new school year emotionally, so they were sometimes anxious and unsure about what to expect on the first day, which friends will stay in their class and which ones will move to another class, and all that led to somewhat nervous goodbyes on the first day. But last year, I sat down with my kids a week before school started and we discussed their fears and excitement. And by the time the first day arrived, they were thrilled to make new friends and join clubs. They went to school with big smiles and came back even happier, and this is what we moms want, right? As the school start date is approaching, I'm doing the same thing this year again. Now, moving on to ensuring a smooth start to the school, let's get organized. Remember, planning is the key. So picture this, a stress-free morning with everything perfectly in place. Can you imagine that? Well, you don't have to imagine this anymore. Create one space near your door where kids can keep their backpacks, their water bottle, lunch boxes, and jackets all organized and ready to go. Also, having a consistent morning routine can make all the difference. So start practicing the school routine a week before classes begin. Encourage your kids to wake up on time, have a healthy breakfast, and get ready for the day. In addition, what I do is to create a family calendar and mark all important dates such as the first day of school, back to school night, and other important school events for both my kids. I put it on my phone and set 2 reminders for those, 1 day in advance and 30 minutes in advance. So this way I stay on top of the things and there is no last minute surprises. Another time saving tip is meal prepping. Plan and prepare some lunchbox friendly meals and snacks in advance. You can involve your kids to help you with that. You can pack a cold sandwich or pasta salad and cut fruits a night before in the fridge for their lunchbox. If you're making something in the morning that needs to be eaten warm, you can use a thermos to keep it warm. You can talk and plan together meals for each of the 5 days, including the days when the kids eat at school. This will reduce the morning chaos and you will have a nutritious options ready to go each morning. In my case, my kids usually eat 2 to 3 times a school and 2 to 3 times they take school home lunch depending on the school menu. So I buy my grocery accordingly. In the past, I wouldn't plan that well and we would rush in the morning searching for their misplaced socks and getting their lunches ready. It just led to chaos and stress for all of us. But since I have started planning and prepping, it has made it easier for us all. This year, I'm going one step ahead by letting my kids choose what they want to wear each of the 5 days. I have 2 kids and we do their laundry every Friday and Saturday. Then they get to pick a complete outfit for the 5 school days. Now we have extra time to enjoy breakfast together and start the day on a positive note. Now let's talk about shopping for school supplies. I have made it super easy for you by putting together a couple of links in the description below for school supplies. You can click on it to find all the essential supplies your kids will need for the new school year. But please check the school supply list before making any purchases. Some schools provide a specific list of items required for each grade, so this will help you avoid buying unnecessary items. If you don't plan, you would shop for school supplies last minute, missing out on deals and struggling to find everything on the school's list. I know because I have done that, and trust me, it was a time consuming and expensive process. So this year I got the required supplies that they needed at discounted prices just because I started earlier, and the best part was that supplies are getting delivered right to my doorstep. And this way I saved both my time and money. Okay moms, are you ready to unleash your creativity? I think we all have some degree of creativity, right? It's time to add a personal touch to your kids' school gear. Let your kids have some fun personalizing their supplies. I suggest you sit with them and be creative with labels, stickers, and colorful accessories that will make their school gear unique and easily recognizable. I'm sure your younger kids will absolutely love it. But if you have an older kid, please involve them in this step. You don't want to do anything without their consent. You know what I mean, right? And now drum roll please for our grand finale surprise giveaway. We're giving one lucky viewer the chance to win an amazing brand new Vans backpack. To enter, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below telling me what excites you the most about the upcoming school year. I will announce the winner in my next video, so stay tuned. So there you have it moms, my guide to getting ready for back to school with a little planning and a lot of love. Remember to be kind and patient with yourself and your kids during this time of transition. I hope you're as excited as I am for this fantastic journey ahead. Remember moms, a little planning goes a long way. By transforming our mindset, organizing our mornings, and shopping smart, we can make this back to school season a fantastic experience for our kids and ourselves. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more such content. Also share this video with other moms who might find it useful. Next, you should check out this video here. Thank you for joining today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.